Bon appetit, freaks. We are here, the Wharf at Sunset Walk, Kissimmee, Florida, right across the street from Disney World. All types of different parks around here in this area, Universal Studios, H2O, all types of different foods. This is the place to be. A kid's paradise, a food lover's paradise. It's just everything over here. Trust me, you need to come here. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell so you stay up to date every single Wednesday, 7 p.m. when we drop in these videos of these places that you're gonna love, that you're gonna enjoy, that you're gonna have fun. I'm a food lover, I love all foods. If you ever hear me say anything about a food I don't love, then it's really, really bad. Let's go. Hey guys, we are here at the Wharf at Sunset Walk. Sunset Walk. Sunset Walk. This is one of my favorite beers of all time. Well, my second favorite beers of all time. My number one favorite beer is Bud Light Platinum, but this is a shock top. If you see this orange peel, you already know it's a shock top. I think there's only one other beer that got an orange peel in it. I'm not a beeraholic, I guess not, or a beer professional. I know a couple people out there that are. Rob, yeah, he's a beer professional. Actually, I think he put me on to this shock top. Haven't turned back since. Haven't had one of those in a long time. Oh my God. If you don't know about shock top, they're on point. We are at the Wharf, Sunset Walk, Kissimmee, Florida. That's where we at. This is where this beautiful, beautiful masterpiece was created. The Wharf, Sunset Walk, Kissimmee, Florida, right by Disney World, right by Universal Studios. You see the masterpiece, but we're gonna get to that in a second. Keep your tongue in your mouth. Keep your teeth together. We're gonna sip on this first. A Hemingway Hurricane. It's a tongue twister, but you'll figure it out. It tastes very fruitful, but I think I'm gonna stick to my beer, but I like this too. Shock top. Hemingway Hurricane. It's heavy. You hear that crunch? I think, right, this is a real good crab cake. Like, for real. Don't mind me, I'm a savage. So, I think I'm gonna have to order some more of this, because this is a real good crab cake. So, the first bite was for courtesy. The second bite, that was for my savages out there. Do me a favor. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell though, so you stay up to date. Every Wednesday, 7 p.m. we're bringing you some of the best restaurants across the nation. Some of the restaurants you need to go to and try. Let's go. Is this salt? It's a stone. Excuse me, is this salt in the bottom?
Yes.
Oh, so it is salt.
Yeah.
Since we out of Georgia, I'm gonna go ahead and get some oysters. I've never ate oysters, so you see the determination on my face.
You can take the glasses off.
Definitely not doing that. It looks like it has cheese all over it to hide the fishy stuff. If I throw up on this camera, So, oh my God, I'm getting sick already. What? 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 I'm not eating that, man. So, shrimp and grits, shrimp tacos. You know, we're in Florida, we gotta shrimp it up. So, shrimp and grits, shrimp, mushrooms, tomatoes, onions. It's like a jambalaya. Cilantro, sriracha, shrimp, tacos, sriracha, cha-cha-cha. It's spicy. Okay. I'm gonna tell you right now, I've never been really a spicy person, but these tacos need this sauce. And it's not spicy. I'll probably be sweating in a minute, but it's not spicy. So, make sure you do me a favor. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Hit that notification bell so you stay up to date every single Wednesday. We're dropping videos, 7 p.m. Come check them out. Are y'all ready for this? Are we ready for this? Am I on? Am I on? Oh, they put 2 spoons together, but I'm not sharing. Look at that. Oh. Look at that drip. Oh. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. If you're a chocolate lover, this is for you. Chocolate, amazing. Chocolate. The brownie is like super chocolate. And they got little white chocolates. I don't know what these are, but they're like little pieces of white chocolate. Chocolate heaven. But do me a favor. I gotta get to this. So you need to do me a favor and get to that like button, that subscribe button, and hit the notification button so you can stay up to date to all the videos that we're dropping every single Wednesday, 7 p.m. Drop me a comment down below, like, let me know if you visiting Florida. I'll tell you a whole bunch of other places that I haven't made videos yet that I'm about to make videos on. Let's go.